Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. Let's take a start. You can see here the question number 1, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to factorize this and then we have to find out the value of x. Solve means we have to find out the value of variable. So you can see here is 12. While multiplying 12, while adding 7, we have to find out that type of numbers whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 7. So we can write here or x square minus, the numbers are 4 and 3. When you multiply 4 and 3, we get 12. 4 into 3, 12, and 4 plus 3, 7. So we can write here 4 plus 3, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have to open the bracket, x square minus 4 into x, 4x, minus plus minus 3 into x, 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. Or from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining x minus 4. Similarly, you can see here is minus 3, so we have to take minus 3 common, remaining x, so we have to write x, minus, and we have to write here minus, it will be plus. Before I told you before, when minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write down plus. Now 3 into which number it will be 12? Definitely 4. 3 4s 12 is equal to 0. Hope you understand up to here. Now x minus 4, we can take here x minus 4 common, remaining x minus 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. After this, we have to take either x minus 4 is equal to 0, so we can write x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, when you change the places, you have to change the sign also. Here is minus 4, so it will be plus 4. When you take to the right side, we have to change the sign. If minus, we have to write plus. If plus, we have to write on minus. Now look at this one, either this or x minus 3 is equal to 0, so we can write x minus 3 is equal to 0. When you take 3 to the right side, we have to change the sign. If here is minus 3, we have to write plus 3. So the answer of this quadratic equation is 3 and 4. Hope you understand this question. Now look at next. This one is a little bit different type. 6x square plus 40x is equal to 31x. First of all, we have to arrange in quadratic form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first of all, we have to write down 6x square. After that, we have to write down the x part. Here is 31x, which is positive. So when you take to the left side, we have to write in the form of negative. We have to change the sign. Here is nothing then plus. If plus, we have to write on minus. 31x, we have to write 31x. After that, plus 40, so we have to write here plus 40 is equal to 0. Always we have to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In the place of plus minus also, no problem. Just we have to arrange it first. Or first x square, then x, then number. Now what we have to do, we have to factorize. First of all, we have to multiply 6 and 40. 6 into 40. You can see here 6 into 40, 240. Now we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 240 and addition is 31. This one is plus, so addition is 31. If here is minus, then subtraction is 31. We have to find out like that. Okay, the numbers are 15 and 16. Yes, 15, 16. So 6x square minus 15 plus 16 x plus 40 is equal to 0. 15 into 60, 240, and 15 plus 16 will be 31. Now 6x square minus 15 into x, 15x, minus plus minus 16 into x, 16x plus 40 is equal to 0. Now from this two term, from first two term we have to take common, and from the last two term we have to take common. From first two term, what is the common here? You can see here is 6, here is 15. So common is 3, x square x, common is x. So what is remaining? 3 into which number it will be 6? Definitely 2, 3 2s 6. From x square, x is common, so remaining x minus 3 into which number it will be 15? 3 into which number it will be 15? 3 5s 15, so 5 we have to write. This x already common. Hope you understand up to here. Minus, from here what we have to take common? 16 and 40. The common is 8. 8 2s 16, 8 5s 40. 8 common, remaining 2x. 8 into 2, 16. 8 2s 16, x. If here is minus common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. 8 into which number it will be 40? 8 5s 40 is equal to 0. Hope you understand up to here. Now you can see 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5, so we can write here 2x minus 5 common, and remaining 3x minus 8 which is here is equal to 0. Either 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to, when you take 5 to the right side, here is minus 5, so we have to write on plus 5. We have to change the sign. When you change the number, we have to change the sign. So what we get here, value of x is equal to 5 by 2. Next, or 3x minus 5 is equal, 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 3x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 by 3. Hope you understand this both question which is on the board. Okay, now look at next question in same process, quadratic equation of factorization method. I will solve more 2-3 questions in this video. Keep watching till last. Here the next question is 6x square minus 5x minus 21 is equal to 0. We have to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. So first of all, we have to factorize. First and last, we have to multiply 6 into 21. 21 into 6. We can get here 126. Now we have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 126 and subtraction is 5. Here is minus, so subtraction is 5. We have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 126 and subtraction is 5. So we have to find out factors first here. 126, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Again we have to divide by 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 21 minus 6 we cannot get. Again we have to do 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9 and 7 2s are 14. No, 3 3 are 6 is 12. No, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. We cannot. Now we have to do like this. 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9. Definitely 14 minus 9. We have to find out from here these factors only. We have to calculate and find out whose product is 126, and when you subtract it we get 5. Now you can see here 7 into 2 14 and 3 into 3 9. So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5, and when you multiply this 14 and 9 you will get 126. So you can write here, or 6x square minus, in the place of 5 you can write 14 minus 9x minus 21 is equal to 0, or 6x square minus 14 into x, 14x minus plus 9 into x, 9x minus 21 is equal to 0. Or from this two term we have to take common. You can see here what we can take common. Here is 6, here is 14. If you take 2 common, 2 3s are 2 7s are 14. Yes, 2 is common. 2 from x square, x common is x. Now 2 into which number it will be? 6. Definitely 3. 2 3s are 6. From x square, x is common, so remaining x minus 2 into which number it will be? 14. 2 7s are 14. X already common, so 3x minus 7. Similarly you can see here, from here we have to take common, plus 9 and 21 common is 3, because both numbers will come in 3 table. 3 3 are 9, 3 7 are 21, so 3 we have to take common, and the remaining 3 into which number it will be? 9. Definitely 3. 3 3s are 9. Here is x, so x we have to write minus 3 into which number it will be? 21. 3 7s are 21 is equal to 0. Hope you understand up to here. Now 3x minus 7, 3x minus 7, so we can write 3x minus 7 and 2x plus 3, so we have to write here 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, so we have to write 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 3. If here is minus 7, so when you take to the right side we have to change the sign, so plus 7. This in multiplication, so we have to divide. 3 we have to divide. Now we have to take OR. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3 we have to take another side, so it will be minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Hope you understand this question solved by factorization method. Now look at next one. We have x square minus 26x is equal to 407. A very difficult question for students, very confusing questions. First of all we have to arrange this one. X square minus 26x. Here is plus 407, so we have to write minus 407 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 407 and subtraction is 26. Now find out, can we divide by 2? No, we have to divide. We will get natural number. We cannot divide by 3, we cannot divide by 4. Think once, use your concept, use calculator, and at last you will get there 11. We will divide 407 by 11. 11 into 37 is equal to 407. So we can write x square minus 37 minus 11x minus 407 is equal to 0. You can divide 407 by 2, 3, 4. We will get in decimal. But when you divide by 11, you will get here 37. And when you subtract this two number 37 minus 11, you will get exact 26. It means the factors are 37 and 11. When you multiply that 37 and 11, you will get 407. And when you subtract, you will get 26. We have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 407 and subtraction is 26. Now we have to open the bracket, x square minus 37 into x, 37x minus plus 11 into x, 11x minus 407 is equal to 0. After this, from here we have to take common. Here is x square minus 37x. You can take here x common, remaining x minus 37, because x into x, it will be x square minus x into 37, 37x plus. Now you can see here again we can take 11 common, remaining x minus 11 into which number it will be 407. Definitely 37 is there, 37 is equal to 0. If here is x minus 7, definitely we get here also x minus 7. Otherwise, if you will not get this two are same, your calculation is mistake. Now x minus 37, we can take x minus 37 common, and the remaining is x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now either x minus 37 is equal to 0, so x is equal to, you can see here is minus 37. When you take it to the right side, we have to change the sign. If here is minus, we have to write on plus, so x is equal to 37 is the answer. Now when you will take or, x plus 11 is equal to 0. When you take to the right side, here is plus 11, we have to write minus 11. Hope you understand this question, quadratic equation by using factorization method. Now look at next. Here the two questions are here. X square plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3 and 9x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. We have to solve by factorization method. Solve means we have to find out the value of x. Now we have to take LCM here. LCM is 2 into x square, 2x square plus 1 into x is equal to 3. After that 2x square plus x is equal to 2 into 3, 6. After this 2x square plus x, we have to take 6 to the left side, it will be minus 6 is equal to 0. If here is plus 6, we have to write on minus. If we have to change the sign, now we have to factorize 2 and 6 while multiplying 6 to the 12, while multiplying 12 and while subtracting 1. Here is minus while subtracting, if here is plus while adding. Now we have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 12 and subtraction is 1. Definitely 4 and 3. 4 into 3, 12, and 4 minus 3, it will be 1. So we can write here 2x square plus 4 minus 3 x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x square plus 4 into x, 4x plus minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Or from first two term, from this two term we have to take common. You can see from 4 and 6 common is 2, x square x common is x, remaining x plus 2x into which number it will be 4, it will be 2, minus from another two terms we have to take common. Here is minus 3, so 3 we have to take common, remaining x. If minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write plus. Here is minus, so we have to write on plus. Now 2 into which number it will be 6, 3 into which number it will be 6, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2, we can take x plus 2 common, remaining 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here we have to take either an or, and we have to find out the value of x. You can see here either x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to, here is plus 2, so we have to change the sign. When you take to the right side, it will be minus 2. Or next one is there, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to, when you take 3 to the right side, we have to write 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Hope you understand this question, how to solve by factorization method. Now the next question is there. 9x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. Now look at properly here. First of all, we have to take LCM. LCM is x. Here is x. So x into 9x. 9x square plus 1 is equal to 6, or 9x square plus 1 is equal to 6 into x. 6x we have to cross multiply. Now we have to arrange in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In quadratic equation, always we have to convert in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Always. Now you can see here, this in the form of ax square plus c, bx is here. So first we have to bring this bx to the left side. So you can write here 9x square, here is plus 6x. So we have to write minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or now first and last one we have to multiply. We have to factorize first. 9 into 1, 9. We have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 9 and addition is 6. Addition is 6 means 3 into 3, 9, and 3 plus 3, 6. So we can write here 9x square minus 3 plus 3 x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 9x square minus 3 into x, 3x minus plus minus 3 into x, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or from this two term we have to take common. Here is 9, 3, common is 3, x square x, common is x, remaining 3 into which number it will be 9? Definitely 3. 3 is a 9, and x minus 3x already common, nothing is remaining, so we have to write on 1. From here we cannot take any common. Minus 3x plus 1, no common. This what we have to write? Minus 1. Minus 1 is a common. Remaining 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or 3x minus 1 common, remaining 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to take either or. Either 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3, or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. Hope you understand this factorization, how to solve quadratic equation by using factorization method. Thanks for watching till last. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to hit the bell button. So when you will press the bell button, so my notification when I will upload any videos, you will get the notification of upcoming videos too. And keep supporting.